When your refrigerator is broken and your food is going bad, you need expert local same-day service fast. In Denver, call Sooner Appliance Repair at 720-329-8481. Our certified factory-trained technicians work on all major brands, including Whirlpool, Maytag, KitchenAid, and more. Our technicians carry parts to get your appliance repaired fast. We offer 6-month warranty, parts, and labor on all repairs. Call 720-329-8481 or log on to SoonerApplianceRepair.com.
BBS